Hello everybody, thank you so much for pressing play on my video. My name is Charlene Luciano from stampwithshar.com and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator here in the US. Today is Friday. Happy Friday everybody. As you know, those that follow me know that on Friday I like to do a tip, a technique, or a trick. But today I wanted to do something a little different. I would like all of my subscribers to send me an email with their mailing address, their name, and their date of birth, because I've got some fabulous stuff that I just want to give away. I want to give stuff away. So if you want to be on my mailing list, you guys, when I say I've got lots and lots of stuff to give away, no jokes, everything is packaged all nice. It's got the, whatever will be in the bags. And then, yeah, this is 6x6, the cardstock. Now, just so you know, this stuff that I'm just going to give away random to random people, this is all my stuff that has retired, and I can no longer use it on camera. I can use it personally, but why not give it to my subscribers and to those that follow me, because I love you guys and I love to spoil everybody. So it doesn't matter where you are. I'm not worried if you're in Europe or Australia. If you want to be on my mailing list, all you have to do is send me your name, your mailing address, and then your date of birth. So when it's your birthday, I can send you a birthday card. Wouldn't that be fun? Thank you so much for stopping by today, you guys. I hope you all have a wonderful and safe weekend, and I hope to see you back here on Monday. I've got a great project to share with you. You're going to love it. So head on over to my website, www.stampwithshar.com. I do post projects every weekday to inspire you, so I hope you'll head on over there. And yeah, take care. I hope to get those emails. I will have in the description below, I will have a link that will take you to my blog post. And yeah, it will have my email address, everything will be there. So yeah, I hope to get those emails. Please send me those emails. I'd love to give away random stuff. Yay! Take care, you guys.